gorillas do make nests every day and stay in a different nest every day. They don't stay in the same place since they keep moving as they feed along. But when they leave the nest in the morning, that is when they do their business. They drop their droppings in the nest so that nobody can ever use it again, and the flies you see around are just looking for that. As you observe the gorillas eating all the time, they have very, very large bellies. Even young ones have bellies that you may think they're pregnant. It's very, very hard to tell when a female gorilla is pregnant because their bellies are always filled, even when pregnant or not pregnant. Being vegetarians, gorillas would mostly be seen eating leaves. They do have seasons when they have fruiting trees. They have figs in the forest, and they tend to love that most. When they get to this tree, because the silverback is the hierarchy in the family, he tends to get the biggest share, because he goes in fast. The good part with the juveniles, the silverback does not go so high because he knows, or he's aware, the branches of the tree are very weak to hold his weight, that he cannot climb so high. So little ones use veins and other little trees to go over him and feed as he feeds from the bottom of the tree. And in most cases, the females would wait until the silverback comes down before they can even go up. They would be sitting, yelling and crying and calling out so that he could maybe let them go up, but he never lets anybody go on top of him until he's really done, or he cannot pick any more seeds off the tree. The visit is strictly 1 hour. After 1 hour, the guide will tell you it's time. Let's get back and leave the gorillas in peace. And some gorillas have actually realized that after 1 hour we just need to leave these guys and go do our things. So some smart groups, after strictly 1 hour, The silverback guides his family away and they just walk away on you.